What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back to another pickup. And first things first, somebody call the Coast Guard. We about to do a weight check. I don't want nobody to fall overboard. Let's see what we got here. Woohoo! Enough to make a grown man drown. Cool. No, but all seriousness, dressed this way because we have a wedding coming up, and you know me, I love sneakers, so I love doing this semi-casual, semi-formal look. And today we got a perfect pair of shoes for just that. Today we have a pair of the, let me get this zoomed in and focused for you guys, the Nike Court Legacy NN. That's quite the name for a shoe that's fairly simple, or simplistic is what I should say. The NN of course stands for Next Nature, so Nike Court Legacy Next Nature. So great shoe. It's only $70, which is quite the steal. So if you want to double up, do that while you can, because these shoes are selling out like crazy. So in addition to the beat up box, I did not get any tissue paper, which is okay, because I understand what they're trying to do. Like I said, they want to cut down on waste, and as you guys can tell, well, let me show you guys a little bit closer. As you guys can tell, this right here is not a smooth sole. That's because this is partially made of recycled material. Followed by that is going to be the canvas, thin canvas layer right here. And what's right above that is going to be the upper part of the shoe, which is the pebbled leather. Some like the pebble, some don't. Me personally, I'm a fan of the smooth leather. I like smooth more so than pebble. But for this shoe, I think it fits. Like I said, this is only $70, and I actually caught these on sale. So no, I'm sorry, I actually had a coupon from Dick's that I did not use. So these were $69.99, and I'm getting mine for $52.99. I had a $20 off, which is crazy because I usually don't get $20 off. I usually get like 10% or $5 or maybe even $10 off. So I was super hyped that I was able to use that on these pair of shoes, especially because these things are selling out. Like I said, I usually don't get a box this bad, or if I do, I may swap it out, but these things are selling out, man. And at the time of this purchase, they did not have these on Nike. At least not this colorway. They had another colorway where this was, I believe, like a navy blue, and this was like a golden color, which is still cool. But I think for the outfit and what I got planned for this weekend, this is what I need. So these are only $70, man. You got to get you a pair or double up if you able to, man. This is well worth it. extremely excited, and I feel sad a little bit when this tends to happen. But as you guys know, I do a lot of sneaker reviews, and I was fortunate enough to get an extra pair of shoes for free, for the Frito. So in order to keep my karma good, because I know somebody paid for these and I didn't, I'm gonna do a giveaway. So I'm gonna give these shoes away, but